Hi, thank you for joining me. So if you've been following these videos, they're in an order for a specific reason. They're here to help us work through our subconscious blocks, the pain that we've suffered as children, so that we can come to a happier place in our lives where we can be more in a being rather than a doing or having to have. So this Kriya that we're going to practice today is going to get deep within our subconscious to remove our wounds. It's going to look a bit funny, this Kriya, but just follow along because it'll be worth it. So come onto your heels, bring your hands down to the mat, and make sure your fingers are spread nice and wide. We're going to close our eyes and gaze at the third eye, and we're going to breathe in and out quickly through our mouths. Let's go. Deep inhale and come up. Exhale. Great, now grab your pillows and make yourself comfortable again. Knees below the hips. Make sure you have a strong wall-bound lock, so pulling that anal muscle up and clenching slightly, raising the diaphragm and the navel point back to the spine. So for this next Kriya, we are going to be putting our right hand on our throat chakra and covering the right hand with the left hand. We're going to close our eyes and we're going to gaze at the tip of our nose through closed eyes. And we're going to begin breathing long, deep breaths. Let's go. As you sit in this Kriya, feel some of the pain that you may have felt as a child, some of the injustice, the times when your parents just wouldn't watch you in the playground, or didn't listen to you when you needed them, or couldn't understand your perspective, or whatever traumas that you had gone through. Let these feelings move through you. Let your body feel them. Let your mind remember them, and then let them go. Just drop them and let them go. Let them rise and let them fall. Breathing in, letting rise. Breathing out, letting fall. Let these memories come and go. Relax your hands down. You're going to cover your navel point with your hands. Same thing, right and then left over top. And you're going to firmly push on your navel point. This time you're going to gaze at the third eye and breathe powerfully in and out through your nose. Feeling connected to the navel point. This is your connection to you, to your presence here. Through this navel point, the I am point. Squeezing the navel point to the spine on the exhale. And relaxing into that gap between the exhale and the inhale. And opening your eyes and just shaking it all out. Shake, shake, shake. Shaking away all those subconscious wounds and the suffering we've held onto and we don't need to hold on to anymore. Let's come into a regular meditation pose with the hands on the knees in Gyan Mudra. And giving thanks for this opportunity to release the pain. To release all of that we carry with us from our memories. And the fact is that we don't need to carry those things with us anymore. We can carry only the good memories. So when we practice this Kriya, we release those things that are stuck and we make space to remember good and to create more good in the present moment. And if we go even deeper than that, we know that there's only being, no present moment, just being. So with that, I wish you a great day, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.